Welcome back. Today, we're going to practice English with a simple cooking conversation. Listen carefully and try to speak with us.
What are you making?
I'm making bruschetta. Have you ever tried it?
No, I haven't. How do you make it?
First, grill the bread. Make sure you grill both sides. Then rub the bread with some garlic.
Okay. It smells lovely.
Next, pour some olive oil on the bread. Don't put too much, just a little. After that, put on some chopped tomatoes. Finally, add salt, pepper, and a basil leaf. Go on, try one. Well done. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.